It's there, I swear to you. Okie dokie. Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Connor here at Worldwide RV. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Jayco J-Feather 28 RB. Up here up front, we got your power tongue jack, your two 20-pound propane tanks, and a slot for your battery. On the side here, it's prepped for side view cameras. Next to that pass-through storage, battery disconnect located inside. Two front stabilizer jacks in the front, two in the rear. Big storage under that U-shaped dinette. Tankless water heater. It's also prepped for a backup camera as well. That hitch is rated for 250 pounds for a bike rack, generator rack. This unit also has an outside shower, outside kitchen, and your griddle here as well. When you walk into this unit, you're going to find a big open floor plan with plenty of storage all over the place, especially right here next to the door. TV, your fireplace below. Right across from your TV, you'll find your theater seating. Very comfortable chairs, and they do recline as well. Next to that's your big U-shaped dinette. This can be put down for additional sleeping. You have storage underneath that. In the kitchen, you'll find plenty of solid surface counter space, as well as storage top and bottom. 3-burner stove, your vent fan, and then your microwave above that. Your double stainless steel sink, 10.7 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. Lots more storage next to that. Huge rear bathroom, 2 vanity sinks, porcelain toilet, tall shower. Tons of more storage on the side as well. In the bedroom, queen size bed, plenty of storage underneath that. And then that's to access the drawers on the sides. On the side of the bed, some storage under there, as well as a wireless charger on either side. Closet, and then your drawer space underneath that. So again, my name's Connor. That was a look at our Jayco J-Feather 28 RB. We currently have this unit listed on our website for $46,741. If you'd like to take a look at it for yourself, come take a look at 4660 East Main Street.